Hello, this is Tom from Halcyon Technologies. This video will show you how to arm and disarm the QOLSYS panel and what's the difference between arming away and arming stay. So right now we can see that the system is on disarm mode, and we also see that the front door, garage door and the garage to home door are open, which means when we arm the system, those three sensors will be bypassed and gonna be ignored as long as the system is armed. What we're going to do first is we're going to click
select arm system type
on the arm button, and then we're going to select. We're going to use arm away in case we're leaving the house and we want all the sensors, include the motion sensor, to be armed. If we decide to arm stay, that means somebody's inside the house. In that case, only the doors and window sensors will be triggered, will be armed. In that case, we're going to arm away, and we're going to see the three sensors will be bypassed.
Away mode selected. Front door, garage to home door, garage door bypassed.
And we're going to have 60 seconds to leave the house. For our example, we're going to close the front door. And we're going to trigger
select
away.
Arm system type. Away mode selected. Garage.
Okay, we waited the 60 seconds, and the important thing is to make sure that the front door or the door next to the panel is closed once we arming the panel. Otherwise, we're not gonna have entry delay when we're coming back. So right now when we're opening the door, we're gonna have 30-second delay, and this 30 seconds is gonna be the time that we need to go to the panel and put the code.
Front door open.
And to disarm the panel, 1, 2, 3, 4, or the code
system
that we
is
set,
now disarmed.
and that's it. Now we're gonna arm the system stay in case it's night, we want to go to sleep. We want all the doors and window sensors to work, but not the motion sensors, the indoor motion sensors. First thing, again, all doors and windows that are open gonna be bypassed. They're gonna be ignored by the system. So if you're gonna want to leave one of the windows open to get some fresh air, you can do that. This sensor gonna be disabled. So
select arm system type. Arm
stay,
garage to home door bypassed.
So the panel telling us those two sensors are bypassed and ignored, and the system is armed. To disarm the system, we can just walk to the panel. As you can see, we can walk next to the sensors, nothing gonna happen. If you wanna disarm the system, we just clicking on the icon and putting the code.
System is now disarmed.
That's it.